It's fajita night. We've got some chicken that we raised. We've got some deer steak that we killed. We've got our red bell peppers. We've got green bell peppers we pulled out of the freezer that we had vacuum sealed from the garden. We've got some onions, some organic festive fajita spice blend from Thrive Market. The Blackstone's firing up and we're about to get cooking. This will be a pretty quick cook. We're doing fajitas on the Blackstone and we're about to get going. Blackstone's fired up and let's start cooking. I'm going to go down with the frozen bell peppers first. Get them thawed up. You can hear them sizzling. We're going to go ahead and just let those heat up a little bit. And then we'll break those apart and then we'll get started on everything else. Bell peppers are thawed out, so let's get to cooking. Before we go down with the adult food, we've got some cheese quesadillas that we're going to put down for the kids or grandkids.
Well, I'm going to eat my Subway.
And we're going to get this cooked up. Kids quesadillas or grandkids quesadillas are done. We're going to take these off and then we'll get onto the fajitas. By the way, Ralph Man's Adventures. If you haven't, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you find anything helpful, hit the like button. Go ahead and hit the notification bell, and that way you'll be notified each time we put out another video. We're always camping, cooking, or playing outside, gardening, compost, chickens. Just stay tuned. We're going to go down with the deer steak. This won't take long. Hear that sizzle. And we're going to go down with the chicken. All it's going to take, toss this around just a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and turn this other side, this other burner off as well. Have everything cooking on this half. Daughter's not a big deer fan, so she'll be having chicken. We won't incorporate them. She also doesn't like onions, so we'll keep the onions on the side as well. But boy, that's cooking quick. Then we're going to season it up. That deer meat is almost done. Chicken's looking good. What I'm going to do is go ahead and go down with the other vegetables. Red bell peppers. We'll keep the onions isolated over here. And we'll let all of that cook up. We're going to hit everything with a little Blackstone tequila lime. Go down on the onions, bell peppers. I'm going to hit the steak and the chicken. And then we're going to add the fajita seasoning in just a minute. Added a little water to steam up the veggies. Oop. They're cooking up good. And this meat's looking great. Don't want to overcook it, but need to make sure that it's done. Toss that around just a little bit. A couple of pieces of chicken maybe need 1 minute more. Deer could use a minute, maybe 2. and then we'll hit it with some more seasoning. We're going to add the Thrive Market Festive Fajita Spice Blend. We're going to put a pack on the deer meat, and we've got another pack for the chicken. We're going to hit it with a little water, toss it around, dome it up, and let it simmer. Well, that's making a nice good paste right there. Have that nice seasoning on it. Hit that with the dome. We'll do the same with the chicken. Get it all tossed around. Get that seasoning on all of the pieces. And we'll move the dome over here. Man, that's looking good right there. That's a lot of seasoning. Hit it with water, and we'll move the dome. I'd say that's done. We're going to start pulling this off. Deer meat's done. We're going to pull this off. I think Susan's got the tortilla shells warming in the kitchen. Let's get the chicken off. That way those who want chicken can have chicken. Those that want deer can have deer. Let's get the onions off. Let's not dump them in the floor. I'm one who likes the onions. We're getting the bell peppers off. That's looking good. Now it's time to give it a try. Let's give it a try.
That's good. How'd you make those?
Susan's homemade tortillas. That's some good eats right there. Hit the subscribe button. Be sure and like, comment below. Till next time, God bless.